Reading photograph, you and me in our first dance. Our eyes are closed, we're lost in one sweet embrace. Since those days the world has changed, and our love remains the same. God knows we had our share of saving grace, and I'm proud of all the blessings you have given me. The mountains we have climbed to get this far. Learn to take the laughter with the tears after all these years. It made it feel brand new after the fights that we walked through. Against the odds, we'll never lose our faith in a house we made our own, where our children all have grown. Precious moments time cannot erase. Make a living up and down and get the highway. Seasons that we bear to share apart. Somehow in my heart I always keep you near after all these years. After all these years, you stood by me the days and nights that I was gone. After all these years, you sacrificed, believed in me, and you stood strong. 'Cause with life, there's nothing left to fear. After all these years. After